Welcome to the Rich Club channel. Before viewing, please like the video, write a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, let's go! Many people would like to buy a brand new car from Tesla. Their model range is wide and it's very difficult to decide which one you want. Also, they all differ greatly in price. For example, the cheapest at the moment is the Tesla Model 3 for only $39,900, and the most expensive is a brand new Tesla Roadster that the company plans to release by the end of this year. This video is about the most expensive and at the same time the most insanely cool car that we will talk about today. But first, now you will briefly learn the history of the birth of the Roadster. Back in November 2017, along with an electric truck, Musk showed the world a prototype of a new supercar of the American brand, which is a receiver of the first Roadster model. This sports car will be equipped with 3 electric motors, allowing the coupe to accelerate faster. Test drivers say that the production electric car will be even more dynamic than shown at the presentation and will become one of the fastest cars in the world. In general, the first version of the Tesla Roadster was a sports electric car and indeed the first car from the company Tesla. It was produced in 2008 to 2012. At that time, about 2,600 cars were assembled. The price of the first version of the Tesla Roadster was about $110,000. In addition to the basic version, there is also the sport version, in which the performance of the electric motor is brought to 291 horses and 400 Newton-moments of torque, so that the starting jerk to 100 km/h takes the car 0.2 seconds less time. Also, the maximum speed indicators are unchanged. The price of such a car is already $160,000. The basic Tesla Roadster was able to accelerate to 100 km/h in less than 4 seconds. Its maximum speed was forcibly limited to 200 km/h, and the charge of lithium-ion batteries was enough for 300 to 400 km. It took only 3.5 hours to fully charge the batteries. Inside, the Tesla Roadster looked not only attractive, but also functional. Behind the wheel hides a compact shield of instruments that gives out all the necessary information, and the center console is decorated with a 7-inch screen of the multimedia installation and a panel of climate system, not much compared to what the Tesla puts in their cars now. The interior of the electric car is made of high-quality materials, genuine leather, high-quality plastics, as well as carbon and aluminum inserts. Now you will find out whether the Tesla company stopped at the first version of the Roadster, and if not, then what they changed. But it didn't stay the same as it was at launch all this time. In 2010, the company began manufacturing and selling right-hand drive vehicles for the United Kingdom, Australia, Japan, Hong Kong and Singapore markets. In the same year, a version of the Tesla Roadster 2.5 was introduced. In this version, the Roadster received a modified radiator grille, front and rear bumpers. On September 29, 2014, Tesla Motors announced a minor update to the model. The new version is called the Tesla Roadster 3.0. Improved aerodynamics, increased battery capacity to 70 kWh, and tires with less rolling resistance allowed to increase the autonomy to 644 km or 400 miles. On February 6, 2018, a personal Tesla Roadster owned by Elon Musk was launched into space as a payload by a Falcon Heavy rocket created by the Musk-operated SpaceX Corporation. But this was all with past models. Now you will learn all the valuable information about the latest sports car from the company Tesla. This year, Tesla plans to release a completely different model from the previous versions. The new generation Roadster will be built on the same platform as the Model 3. Elon Musk said that the new Roadster will be the fastest car in the company's line. With a new acceleration mode called Maximum Plate, surpassing the previously known insane and ludicrous modes in the S and X models. The new Roadster was designed by a former Mazda designer. The car has a removable glass roof and a 2+2 body with 2 main front seats, plus 2 small seats at the rear. In turn, the novelty received a much more progressive technical feeling, an unusual interior, and a streamlined design in the current at the moment corporate style. The eye encoded by the narrow, pointed headlamps with a fully LED feeling, several blocks of focusing lenses, and the thin eyeliner of LED daytime running lights. The front bumper received a small trapezoidal air intake and a carbon splitter at the bottom. Also worth nothing are the sleek side panels with elegant stamps and alloy wheels, attached to the hub with a single nut. As for the stern, it received unusually narrow brake lights, a raised edge of the trunk, a huge diffuser, and a retractable spoiler that can change its angle of attack. The new Roadster is driven by 3 electric motors that are located like this, 2 on the rear axle and 1 on the front. Even the basic configuration, the new Tesla Roadster has become all-wheel drive. However, the only thing that is currently known is that the engines together produce 10,000 Nm of torque, which is 16 times more than the Lamborghini Huracan, and a set of new batteries with a capacity of 250 kWh is responsible for their power. The climbed acceleration time of the Roadster from 0 to 96 km/h is only 1.9 seconds. The maximum speed exceeds 400 km/h, and it takes only 8.8 seconds to overcome the quarter-mile distance. The exterior design of the new car is aggressive and at the same time strict. It's not much like other models of the company, except that the smooth surfaces of the body. The maximum mileage without recharging is close to 1,000 km and can certainly be surpassed with an economical ride. In the cabin it is a very futuristic steering wheel that looks more like a starship, as well as traditional Tesla, a huge monitor in the center console which displays controls of all systems. Accepting orders for the new Tesla Roadster has already started. The price of the electric car is $200,000. And for a special modification of the Founders series from a limited series of 1,000 copies, you will have to pay $250,000. At the same time, for the latter, they ask for 100% prepayment, whereas to apply for a regular Roadster, you need to pay $50,000. That's just the first cars customers began to receive only in 2022. Immediately after the presentation, pre-orders for the Roadster began. For some Tesla owners who took part in the company's car sales promotion partner program and reached level 2 in the number of referrals, Tesla began accumulating discounts on the purchase of the Roadster. When registering 55 confirmed buyers, the recommended participant receives a 100% discount on the future purchase of the Roadster. Do you like the new Roadster? Write your opinion in the comments. If you like the video but haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe now and click on the bell. In the following videos there will be a lot of interesting things. See you soon!